Okay, let's have a go at Raspberry Chocolate Mousse Cake. Tip 250 grams of chocolate cake mix into a large bowl. Add 3 eggs, 30 milliliters of oil, 50 milliliters of milk, and blend together, either by hand or with an electric whisk like this one. It makes the job much easier. Pour your mixture into a greased and lined cake tin. It should be thick and goopy like ours. Smooth out the surface with a spatula. Then bake at 180 degrees for half an hour. Meanwhile, pour 500 milliliters of whipping cream into a bowl and whisk for several minutes. Then add 50 grams of icing sugar and mix that through too. Place to one side. Melt 300 grams of dark chocolate, then add your whipped cream in, whisking the mixture together spoonful by spoonful. Then portion it into a plastic piping bag like this. Take your chocolate cake and use a circle tin to cut out 2 circular shapes from it. Remove the excess. Cover the shape with a plastic mold of the same size and add a layer of fresh raspberries on top. Then pipe your chocolate mousse all over the fruit, making sure to completely cover it. Then use a spoon to carefully smooth out the surface of your mousse. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. Then it's time to decorate the top with shredded chocolate. And of course, some more fresh raspberries. For a final detail, let's add some gold leaf. Perfect! Now you can sit back and enjoy a delicious treat.